Introduction to Equations. So we're going to determine whether the given value is a solution to the equation. Next week, on Monday and Tuesday, we're going to work on solving for the given value that makes the equation true. But today, we're just going to focus on writing the equation from the word problem and checking the solution to see if it works. So the first one is x plus 9 equals 15, and the solution that they give me is x equals 6. So what we're going to do is rewrite the equation with 6 substituted for x and see if that equation is true. So I'm going to write 6 plus 9 equals 15. And 6 plus 9 is 15. So 15 equals 15. And that solution for x works. So I've just proved that x does equal 6. So let's look at B. B says y divided by 4 equals negative 32, and this is suggesting that y equals negative 8. So let's plug in the value for y, negative 8. If y is negative 8 divided by 4 is, everybody?
Negative 2.
Negative 2. Negative 2. So now my equation reads negative 2 equals negative 32. Is that true?
Yes.
No.
No.
It's not true. So since it's not true, I'm going to cross through that equal sign to show that negative 2 does not equal negative 32. So then I can say, is y equals negative 8 a solution for this expression? No, it's not. So then you can look down here and try this one. So let's try x equals 9. So in place of x, remember if there's no operation sign between the coefficient and the variable, then it needs to multiply. So 8 times 9 equals 72. I'm going to multiply 8 times 9 and get 72 equals 72. So this means that is x equals 9 a solution to that equation?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So let's try these. This time I have some word problems. Marilyn has a fish tank that contains 38 fish. There are 9 goldfish and as other fish. We don't know how many other fish there are. Okay, it's a mystery. So I can make the equation that the goldfish plus all the other fish that I'm not sure about equals a total of all the fish. So what part of that do I know for sure? Yeah, the 38 total fish. So I'm going to put 38 for all the fish. What other part do I know for sure?
9 goldfish.
Yes, that there's 9 goldfish, so I can plug in 9 for goldfish. And then other fish, I'm not sure about, so that's my F. We're not going to worry about solving that today. We're just going to write the equation. We're going to worry about how to solve that on Monday. Now I can tell, though, because a lot of you are already thinking about what F equals, right? So this should remind you from way back when you studied how maybe 5 times 4 is 20, and so 20 divided by 5 is 4. What did you call those in elementary stuff? Fact families. Yes, so this should remind you of fact families and going back to the inverse operation or something. So Juanita has 102 beads to make N necklaces. Each necklace will have 17 beads. So let's come up with an expression, an equation that will help me solve for N necklaces. Now remember, my variable N, the number of necklaces, needs to be inside the expression part of my equation. So something has to happen to the variable. Crystal, you want to try?
So the equation will be 102 divided by n equals 17, or 102 divided by 17 equals n.
Yes, you could definitely do that. Can we rewrite it with multiplication instead?
Yeah.
Yes. And which one is better? Hayden, which one do you think?
17 times n equals 102.
Yes, 17 times n equals 102. I could also do 102 divided by n equals 17. So when I do this, 17 times n equals 102, I can see that I have 17 beads. I'm going to multiply it by the number of necklaces. When I multiply it by the number of necklaces, that should equal 102 beads total. What about C? Sonia, Renton, I skate for 8 hours. The rental fee was $2 per hour, and she paid a total of $8. So she's paying $2 per hour. She paid a total of $8. So tell me, what equation would you write to solve for the number of hours? Maddie? 2 times H equals 8. Perfect. Okay, we're going to go ahead and stop our video there.